Hi, so how you can make over $10,000 up to $20,000 or more per month in profit as an affiliate promoting other people's products on MaxWeb or ClickBank. So as you see over here, right, 90-day commission stats, $67,000. That would be average of $20,000, $22,000 in profit per month with affiliate marketing, promoting supplements online in a weight loss space, of course. So let me go straight into it and let me show you how this, as you can see over here, right, how this works. So when I go over here to MaxWeb, you can see that you have different products. Now what is MaxWeb? MaxWeb is same as ClickBank but better. Why? Because you have private networks, you have CPA affiliate deals. It means sometimes there is no refunds on different products, and then depend on what products you're promoting, you can even get paid more, as you can see, than what the actual cost of the products is. Why? As you can see, Brain Savior, very good brain supplement that you can promote as an affiliate to the audiences. You can see, right? Product price, it's only $69. But average payout, as you can see over here, right, is $100, right? So it means you're getting paid $100 commission for sale of $69 product. Isn't that amazing? Why would the company pay you that much? Because they know the numbers. That's why it's called CPA affiliate marketing, right? It means you're going to get paid more than what the actual cost of the product is, because the company know they have a great products and the people are going to reorder or buy the upsells. So they make money on the back end from the same customer over and over again. Now, how you can do this, right? I know that you want to know. As you can see, there are many different products, and you can make on average $100 to even $200 in some cases on different supplements, different products, right? Now, how you can do that? Let me go straight into it. Let's go and have a look exactly what you can do, right? First of all, what is affiliate marketing? It's just promoting other people's products for huge commissions, right? So you promote company products, your audience on Facebook ads, TikTok, YouTube ads, Google ads, they buy a product that you promoted, right, that you marketed via your website, blog, or landing page, and then at the end of the day, you make the money, you make the affiliate commission, right? So if you want to have this kind of freedom, right, and that's potentially why you're doing affiliate marketing, or why you want to get into affiliate marketing, is to, remember, make money without putting lots of time, energy and effort into it, right? So once you eliminate time from the money, right, you can make more money without putting in more time. Because if you right now, do you agree with me, if you work 9 to 5, if you work a job, you work 8 hours, you work 12 hours per day, you cannot make more money, right? You have to work more hours. It's impossible, right? So here with affiliate marketing, once you have ads, paid advertising set up, you can go to sleep and your ads are working for you. So you have your own soldiers, your own employees, basically working for you, those ad campaigns, right? While you're asleep, while you're out, while you're driving your car or doing anything else. So the next thing is sales funnel. So what is the funnel? Remember, when I'm promoting, for example, a brain product or a diabetes product, I have to know over here, okay, what stages of awareness my audience is at the time of when they see my ad. For example, right, let's say that I promote to a person who is a diabetic, right? They have type 2 diabetes, so they have to take injection, right? So do you think how many times per day this person is going to think about their health problems? Basically more than 3 times per day. And ask yourself, are they going to be emotionally invested into searching the solutions for the problem or pain that they have, which is at the end of the day diabetes? Of course, right? It's not the same as brushing teeth. Yes, you are thinking about brushing teeth 2 times per day, but remember, the most important thing is there is no emotional involvement into brushing your teeth, right? You're doing it, yes, but there is no pain. You don't need any kind of solution for that, right? But with diabetes, cancer, or whatever, weight loss, right, overweight people, you need emotional investment into that because you feel pain, right? It's a disease, it's a health concern. So of course, you're going to look for the solution for a high quality product that's going to help you solve your pain. So that's why it's very important to go into the niches where people are willingly spending money hand over fist every single day. Next thing, you can see, right, we have to know what is the average awareness level of our audiences, right? When you're promoting to someone, you need to know where they're at, right? Imagine this. You have someone across the street, right? And you're on point A and they're on point B. So if you show them the sign or the ad with how to lose weight now in 30 days, but they're not interested in that, they already have someone else, they don't even know they want to lose weight, they don't even know they have a problem about losing weight, of course it's a mismatch. So what you need, my friend, is you need to have the right to have someone who will help you through step by step, one-on-one along the way, and guide you, hand-holding you, and show you exactly how to have the right message to the market match. You see, once you have the right message to the market match with your website, blog, and ads, then you match your audience and they buy. So that's how you make money at the bottom, as you can see over here. The next thing is, right, lots of affiliates. I know maybe it's confusing for you, but it's very simple once you have someone who's going to help you through done for you system and help you to get it done correctly so you can build in the same time skill set and passive recurring income. So the first thing is, right, pre-click and post-click, right? Most affiliates, if you're watching this video, newbies, right, focus on the ad, which is pre-click. So imagine this. Here we have the ad. Here is your website or landing page or pre-sale page, and here is the ClickBank or MaxWeb vendors page, product page, right, sales page. So 3 steps, right? Now most of newbies make a big mistake. They only focus on what happened before the click, which is ad, right? On the ad itself, headline, images, creatives, right? They focus on that, but they forget the most important thing, which is what happens after they click on your ad, right? And that is your pre-sale page or landing page or your blog page or website, whatever you want to call it, mini website, blogs, landing page or pre-sale page. Let's call it landing page, right? So that's very important. You have to pre-sell 5 points in order to pre-frame the client, the customer or visitor, let's call it visitor, not yet a client, visitor, from being in a frame of mind of curious enough and getting desired enough to take action, click the buy down button and purchase that weight loss supplement, whatever you're promoting via ClickBank or MaxWeb, right? So that's the most important thing. Now, what am I doing now? If you're watching this video and if you really want to make money, I don't know, let's be honest, I'm not talking about millions here, I'm not promising you or guarantee you anything here. I'm talking about consistent $100, $200, $400 per day online, right? If you want to do that, great. Now what you can do is you can get with me one-on-one on the Unstuck sessions. What is that? Me and you together, yeah. You watching this video, if you're serious, of course, can jump on a Skype or on a Zoom call, 15 to 30 minutes. You can have as you can see here, a cup of tea or coffee, whatever, right? And have a conversation about you and where you're trying to go, where you're at right now. Do you have any experience with affiliate marketing? Yes or no? How much money do you want to make? What is your ad budget level like how much can you spend per day? And from there, you see, we can determine which method within affiliate marketing would work best for you, because not everything works the same for everyone. Some people can spend $100 per day, other people only $15 per day. So it really depends on your situation, where you're at this stage and where you want to go, right, in the future. So if you want to do that, I believe in you. You can subscribe to my channel, and what you can do next, right, is you can connect with me one-on-one, subscribe to my channel, and below this video are going to be links to my Instagram, Facebook, email, and also WhatsApp. So if you're serious, you can give me a call, you can DM or chat me, but only if you're serious, only if you have at least minimum 500, better more than $1,000, at least 1,000 to 5,000 US dollars. That is the sweet spot between that, so that you can start generating some real results and seeing some potential profits, right? This is not get rich overnight thing. This is not get rich quick scheme. No, this is not MLM. This is real online business, digital marketing, where you're promoting other people's product. So if you want to have this kind of lifestyle and divorce your time from money, again, divorce your time from money, right? then of course you're more than welcome to subscribe to my channel and to give me a call, give me a chat, and let's see where we are, what we can do together. Okay, so have a nice day.